Do you know who you are? Do you know who you are? Do you? Do you really know who you are? I want to share a psalm with you today. It's Psalms 60. Oh God, you have cast us off. You have broken us down. You have been displeased. Restore us again. You have made the earth tremble. You have broken it. Heal its breaches, for its shaking. You have shown your people hard things. You have made us drink the wine of confusion. But yet, you have given a banner to those who fear you, that it may be displayed because of the truth. The truth, that your beloved may be delivered. Do you know that you are God's beloved? And I remember when the earthquake happened, someone said it happened because Haiti was cursed. I disagree. Haiti is God's beloved. And there are many people in Haiti who love God with all of their heart. So what happened in Haiti did not happen because Haiti was cursed. I don't know why it happened. I'm not God, so I can't tell you why it happened. But understanding that God loves me and that his love resides in me, I am able to give that love freely. And that's exactly what I'm doing. My name is Maeva Renault. I'm a poet and an activist. And on June 16th, I'm making the biggest sacrifice of love by moving back to Haiti to help with an orphanage in Cap Haitian. We have 20 kids, and these kids were rescued. And all I want to share with you all today is that because God loved us first, it is our responsibility as the body, as the church. The church is not a building. We as a people are the church, and our responsibility is to share that love that's within us with others. How are you going to share your love?